Well, when you arrive in l'Oraque du Papillon, it's something breathtaking. It's a little bit strange to see 176 big butterflies in the ceiling. This huge tornado in the middle, and you don't really know what's happening, but you are amazed.
You have that feeling that you say, yes, I want to be a part of this thing. We want to bring a message that's positive. I think too often when you talk about sustainability, it's ridden with the guilt. It's a burden. And we want the opposite. We say, you know what, acting sustainably can be a source of pleasure. The pleasure to understand, the pleasure to contribute, the pleasure to participate in a collective action. And so when we realize that this kind of positive way of presenting, talking about sustainability really worked, then we decided to say, let's just go further now. Let's have an exhibition where we could maybe present other projects that talk about sustainability in different ways. The first installation will be this Tsunagari exposition from the Museum of Science of Tokyo, Japan. And what they do is they've built a globe like the Earth. It's like a projection screen onto which you'll have movies being projected, but movies about all sorts of dimensions, about dealing with climate change, dealing with humans, dealing with society, dealing with the animal world, all these different aspects.
GeoCity is an interactive installation where you can see the evolution of the inhabitants of a city, where you can see the way the public transport has evolved in time, where you can see where the people live, where they work. It's all about a city, how it evolved and how it is today.
So in the Solution Center, we will have concrete areas, mobility, habitat, consumptions, energy, where people will be able to see what these concrete solutions are, what these products are, what these services are. And this is why we work with partners.
It's about helping people to become smart consumers. It's about helping them to do the right choice in order to minimize their CO2 emissions.
So this is why we have this exhibition, is to present these solutions so people can say, oh, this is how it works. Oh, this is the impact it has. Oh, this is where I can find it. And this is the Solution Center. We will have a cube that actually is the physical amount of 1 ton of CO2. We want people to start understanding what a ton of CO2 is, because we want them to reach the goal of CO2 emission reduction by 20%, which in Switzerland is exactly 1 ton. So that cube is what we're asking them to get rid of, and we'll give them inside the exhibition the solutions on how they can achieve that goal.
For us, as well as for our partners, it's a communication tool. It's somewhere where we can deliver a message. It's something that can intervene in different places. So it's a multi-dimensional tool for us as well as for our partners.
People take home that they understand what they have to do when they go home. We give them a goal of 20% of CO2 emission reduction, and we give them the tools, the services, the products, the application, the technologies the motivation to be able to reach that goal.